Are you tired of fad diets and restrictive eating plans that promise weight loss but leave you feeling hungry and unsatisfied? Well, get ready to learn about a revolutionary way of eating that can help you lose weight, improve your health, and increase longevity. In this video, we will explore the benefits of intermittent fasting and provide you with tips on how to get started. Intermittent fasting is a game-changing approach to eating that's taking the health world by storm. Simply put, intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves periods of fasting and periods of eating. So, if you're ready to ditch the traditional dieting methods and discover a more sustainable and effective way of eating, keep watching. Let's dive deeper into the amazing benefits of intermittent fasting that make it such an effective way of eating. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight by reducing your calorie intake and increasing your metabolism. During fasting periods, your body burns stored fat for energy, which can lead to significant weight loss over time. Plus, since you're eating within a restricted window of time, you're less likely to consume excess calories. Improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When you eat, your body releases insulin to help process the glucose in your bloodstream. Over time, excessive insulin production can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that's a precursor to diabetes. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which can help prevent or manage diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body is a major contributor to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation in the body by decreasing oxidative stress and improving cellular repair mechanisms. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health. Increased longevity. Intermittent fasting has been linked to increased longevity, as it can help prevent age-related diseases. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan in animals and may have similar effects in humans. Improved brain function. Intermittent fasting can improve brain function by increasing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes brain growth and function. BDNF is essential for the formation of new neurons and can improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. Hormone regulation. Intermittent fasting can regulate hormone levels in the body, including growth hormone and cortisol. Growth hormone is essential for muscle growth and repair, while cortisol is a stress hormone that can lead to weight gain and other health problems when levels are too high. Intermittent fasting can help regulate hormone levels, leading to better overall health. Improved gut health. Intermittent fasting can improve gut health by giving the digestive system a break and allowing the gut to repair and regenerate. This can lead to improved gut health, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. Overall, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for improving health, increasing longevity, and promoting weight loss. By incorporating this lifestyle into your routine, you can experience numerous benefits that can transform your health and well-being. Now that we've covered the benefits of intermittent fasting, let's take a look at the different types of intermittent fasting. Time-restricted eating. This type of intermittent fasting involves eating within a specific window of time each day, typically 8 to 10 hours, and fasting for the remaining 14 to 16 hours. For example, you might eat between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. and fast from 6 p.m. to 10 a.m. the next day. Alternate day fasting. With alternate day fasting, you alternate between fasting and eating normally. On fasting days, you consume 0 or very few calories, while on non-fasting days, you eat normally. 5 and 2 fasting. This involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 for the remaining 2 days. On fasting days, it's important to choose nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're still getting the nutrients your body needs. Spontaneous meal skipping. This type of intermittent fasting involves skipping meals when you're not hungry or when you don't have access to food. It's a flexible approach that allows you to listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Extended fasting. Extended fasting involves fasting for longer periods of time, typically 24 to 48 hours or longer. This type of fasting should only be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional and requires careful monitoring to ensure safety. Each type of intermittent fasting has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, and it's important to choose the one that's right for you based on your goals, lifestyle, and preferences. By experimenting with different types of intermittent fasting, you can find the one that works best for you and reap the many benefits of this powerful lifestyle. Now that we've covered the benefits and types of intermittent fasting, let's take a look at how you can get started with this lifestyle. Here are some tips to help you begin your intermittent fasting journey. Choose a fasting plan. The first step is to choose the type of intermittent fasting plan that works best for you. Consider your schedule, lifestyle, and goals when selecting a plan. You may want to start with a time-restricted eating plan, as it's the most popular and easiest to stick to for most people. Start slowly. Intermittent fasting can be challenging, especially if you're used to eating frequently throughout the day. Start slowly and gradually increase the length of your fasting periods. For example, start with a 12-hour fast and work your way up to 16 hours. Stay hydrated. During fasting periods, it's important to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, and other non-caloric beverages to keep your body hydrated and help curb hunger. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stick to your fasting plan and make healthy choices. Consider preparing your meals in advance and having them ready to eat during your eating window. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. When you do eat, focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats in your meals. Listen to your body. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Listen to your body and adjust your fasting plan as needed. If you're feeling fatigued or lightheaded, consider shortening your fasting period or taking a break from fasting altogether. Be patient. Intermittent fasting is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. It may take time for your body to adjust to this new way of eating, so be patient and stay committed to your fasting plan. By following these tips, you can successfully begin your intermittent fasting journey and experience the many benefits this lifestyle has to offer. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new diet or fasting plan. Intermittent fasting is a popular and effective way of eating that has numerous health benefits. By reducing your calorie intake and improving your metabolism, intermittent fasting can help you lose weight, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, increase longevity, and improve brain function. With different types of intermittent fasting to choose from and several tips to get started, intermittent fasting is a flexible and sustainable way to improve your health and well-being. Thank you. Next video.